Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everyone who's watching this. And I got a special gift from Santa Claus. A brand new Apple Watch Series 7. And I'm gonna be unboxing it and reviewing it for you guys. It's the Apple Watch Series 7 Midnight aluminum case, 45 millimeters, Nike edition. That's how the box looks like. I really like the Nike also because of the black box. Pretty cool. I've never had one of these. Gotta like this. You gotta like push it out. There we go. Ooh. Wow. The Apple Watch is right at the top. And I got the blue Nike band. I really like this color of it. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's unbox the band first. There we go. We get the band. That color actually looks really good. Wow. Wow, that actually looks pretty nice. Alright, let's do some satisfying AS. Ooh. Wow. That's how the inside looks like. And I've never had an Apple Watch that came like this. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. No Apple stickers. Got the charger. This one's with the USB-C end. And then here is the actual Apple Watch itself. Is this leather? Oh no. Looks like leather, kind of. Wow. Ooh. This blue color looks good. Let's turn it on. Alright, let's get the Apple Watch band. Alright, let's grab my phone. Alright, this is how it looks like. Now it's setting up. Let's retire my Series 3 Apple Watch. This is the Series 3, Nike. And this is the Series 7. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. That's cool. Wow. Feels nice. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and see you next video. Peace out. Alright, the Apple Watch is all set up. That's the always on. And that's the all screen. It jiggles, I like that. Pretty cool. So yeah, peace out.